It is chilly out here today, and it's actually just feeling that little bit of heat. Actually makes makes your knees warm. Pretty good little heat there. We're gonna see how long it takes to heat the water sitting on top of it. It's a little windy today. See, this is the dimensions of it. Nice little heater. It's only been about 2 minutes, and I can start to hear the water sill on top of the can, which is a good sign that it's working. I'll have to put a stack on here. Get an idea of it. The screw unscrews from the bottom and it allows you to open it to clean it, and it's not hot to the touch, so you can pick it up and move it if you need to. Pretty neat little idea. Let's see if it's warm to the touch. It's actually warm to the touch. Let's see how our fire is doing. Our timber's a little wet. It is very windy out here. There's smoke, there's fire. It's a little warm. I think I might do something to change this handle right here, because this is a little, although it's wood, it's a little warm. The water is heating up pretty well. Nice smoke. It's a little bunch of heat. I figure with the hotter fire, probably would take 5 or 6 minutes to heat the water up and boil it. But I don't have the wood I'm using is just scraps that I found from the trees that had fallen down. So it's not really hardwood. Alright, well, just my little review here.